Would you believe that I created this makeup look using 5 Randstad products? Starting with the brows, I'll be using Black Opal and Miss Demi. I've been planning to do this video for quite a long time now, but I was thinking, I said to myself that most people use drugstore products. But then again, I was like, if these products are in stock, that means people buy them. So I've decided to be your influencer in this video. Not everyone can afford high-end makeup products or drugstore products. I'm tracing out my brows with the black and then filling in with the brown. Fade out this point with a spoolie. The pencil is giving. We have full coverage concealer. The concealer was 20 rands. I don't know why I feel so excited doing this video. Next is the Fit My foundation. I'm going to use it to clean the front part of my brow. Put in with some of the concealer as eyeshadow base and blend any lady eyeshadow palette. It cost us 60 rands. Eyeshadow colors are actually so lovely. I'm going to use this nice purple color on the outer corners. So this is more pigmented than some of the expensive eyeshadow palettes I've bought in the past. I'll go in with this lighter shade using a more fluffy brush and just go over it. Brighten up the inner corners a little bit again before placing the lighter shade. And I'm going to use this pink shade. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this powder I got from there to just set under the brows where I concealed. Then mascara, we're going in with the Beauty Model Volumizer Mascara. It was 25 rands. Next primer, Photo Finish Makeup Base Primer, 35 rands. Eyelashes, pop on those eyelashes. Foundation, Fit My Matte Poreless Foundation. Ooh, it's my shade. 20 rands foundation? I can't believe it. And I even seen the coverage. Hey, that same concealer to highlight my face. I'll put just a little bit. Concealer brush and blend that in. The bridge of my nose. Blend the under eyes now gradually. Luxury Pink setting powder. Pick some of that powder, even it out, and immediately set my under eyes to avoid creasing. Guys, I can't believe it. These products are actually giving. Like with the 35 rand setting powder, I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. 7 Cool blush, 40 rands. Like this blush is definitely worth it. Look how pigmented it is. I'm going to dust off the rest of this product under my eyes. Me Color Setting Spray, 45 rands. Romantic Flower Shimmer Highlighter, 25 rands. Check out this glow. Check out. Bridge of the nose and the midpoint. One thing I'll always get from the 5 rand store. Usher's lipstick. The Opal pencil is an eyeliner and also lip liner. I apply this Usher lipstick. The lipstick is so creamy and smells so good. My makeup from a Chinese shop. And this is the final look.